Complying with the standards drawn by the PCI DSS can be complicated and time-consuming, but with the PCI DSS Gap Assessment, the process becomes a lot easier, streamlined, and less exhaustive. A PCI Gap Assessment is the identification, analysis, and documentation of areas of non-compliance with the PCI DSS. A PCI DSS Gap Analysis reviews an organization's cardholder data environment, the CDE, against the latest version of the PCI DSS, such as PCI DSS version 4. In-scope systems and networks are reviewed, and a detailed report is compiled showing areas that need attention. There are a total of 64 changed or new requirements in the PCI DSS version 4. And since the current PCI DSS version 3.2.1 will be retired on March 31st, 2024, companies will have enough time to complete a gap assessment to identify changed areas and validate controls that may require a change. In this gap assessment, the security consulting companies such as VikingCloud and their qualified security assessors, the QSAs, will start mapping the critical information processes and technical infrastructure to determine where PCI controls have an impact on the business. The goals here are to outline the most cost-effective approach to meeting PCI obligations, determine effective ways to implement necessary controls to meet PCI obligations, and assess readiness for an upcoming PCI audit, and identify deficient controls that could potentially cause an audit failure. A gap assessment is recommended for merchants and service providers planning to be a PCI compliant for the first time, or existing compliant customers with major changes in their environment. Once the assessment is performed and issues are remediated, entities should be ready to get a compliance assessment for the PCI DSS. Once again, if you have any questions you would like answered, please feel free to post a comment or get in touch with us, and we will try to make it a subject of a next episode. Thanks for watching.